Hey everyone, Mrs. Tennant here. Today's math lesson, you're going to be learning about multiplication properties, very similar to what we've already learned in class, which is addition properties. Those were the associative, commutative, and identity. So I just wanted to quickly review those and go over them again. It might be easier to see it coming from me than kind of reading the book yourself and trying to do it. So the examples on page 531 and 532 are these examples right here. You'll notice that the associative property of multiplication is almost identical to the associative property of addition, except it has multiplication signs. So just remember that anytime that you see those parentheses where the numbers are grouped differently in order to make it easier to solve mentally in your head, it's called the associative property. So again, you're just putting different numbers inside the parentheses. The commutative property is going to be that the order switches. So the first number becomes the second number and the second number becomes the first number, but they are still equal to each other. So again, the commutative property shows that the order in which they are multiplied does not matter. Same thing, commutative property of addition. Again, it would just be adding numbers and then switching the order. The identity property is the only one that's a little bit different. The identity property of multiplication is any number multiplied by the number 1 is equal to itself. Whereas we learned that the identity property of addition is any number adding to 0 would be itself. So just notice the difference between the identity property of multiplication and the identity property of addition. If you have any questions, you can email or message me on Google Classroom.